Okay, talk about a grand entrance.
All right, 15,000 square feet. How are we going to tackle this?
Well, why don't we divide and conquer? How about that?
All right, that sounds like a good plan. I'm gonna go this way.
I'll go this way.
And why don't we meet somewhere in the middle?
Sounds like a plan.
Okay. Okay, I found the formal living room.
No, I don't think you found the living room.
Maybe you're right. There's a chandelier in here.
I think that's the dining room.
Okay, I'll give you that one. I think this is the dining room.
Yep, this is definitely the formal living room. And hey, I found the solarium.
Oh, I want to see what that looks like.
Yeah,
Wait,
you gotta see
where are
this.
you at?
Take a look.
Oh, now this is a grand space.
Wall of windows, and look, another porch outside, open air. Love that room.
Yeah. Okay, so
Looks like the
here's-
great room.
And what a great room. It's a two-story great room.
Yeah, with a lot of great features. Can we say great again?
Okay, I was going right towards the wood-burning fireplace.
Yep. And nice woodwork with all these spindles, don't you think?
I think so.
Yeah.
All right, but where do we go from here?
It's a challenge. How about to the left?
I'm just gonna follow you.
Let's just do it. Holy schmoly, we found the kitchen.
Well, a house this size needs a kitchen this
Oh,
big.
you know what I'm seeing? I'm seeing a butler's pantry off the formal dining
Yes,
room.
now that makes sense.
Connected to the kitchen.
I was right from the start. It is a formal dining room.
You were eventually right.
Yes, but this is another dining room space.
Probably for a
Right.
very big table. And then you have another dining space over there, which would be like a formal breakfast room.
It's a beautiful space. I would have breakfast, lunch, and dinner out there.
That is definitely an option in this place. I mean, I think there's so many options. You could entertain like 50 people.
You
in this
could,
house
and
easily.
you know what? There's 2 dishwashers.
There's 2 dishwashers. I see 2 ovens, and you need 2 of everything. On to
Shall we go this way?
This is like the endless wonders of
I
this
know.
home.
Now, I'm guessing closet.
Wow, now it's a whole other wing.
It's not a closet.
This is like Las Vegas.
Yeah, it does have that feel. So we have a huge bathroom there and a room that's probably, I don't know, 400 square feet.
Yeah, so could this be the main bedroom in the house?
I have no idea.
Big homes sometimes have multiple main bedrooms, right, in the house. So this could be one of many. Well, funny meeting you
Hey, what a
here.
coincidence.
Well, floor 2. How should we do it? Divide and conquer?
Exactly.
I'll head this way.
I'll go that way.
All right.
Sounds like a plan. All right, so, John, I've got the laundry room.
Well, I've got a bedroom, and it has tons of windows because it's a corner.
Oh, nice.
And I've got a full bath, but the real star of this room is all the windows.
And, oh, I've got another bedroom and a full bath.
Well, I am seeing a bedroom exactly the same footprint as the bedroom I just was in. Corner of the house, lots of windows, full bath.
Well, I think I have just found the owner's suite, and I think it's half the wing of the house.
Quite a room.
Huge sitting area, gas fireplace, walk-in closet.
That's almost like another room.
I think it is. That leads right into this, dare I say again, spacious.
Rather spacious bathroom.
Oh,
well,
this is what you've been looking for,
Yeah,
a
this
steam
is-
shower.
Yeah, that definitely is a steam shower. All nicely sealed off.
So let's see. I'm gonna check out this door.
What?
Check this out. I'll let you open it.
That's no
What?
porch. It's a porch.
Now,
with a
you
capital
like
P.
your sleeping porches, but this is...
This would be like the upper
I
solarium.
have no idea. You have this beautiful space, but it's right off of a bedroom.
Yeah.
So if you were gonna have people using it, you'd be coming through a bedroom.
Well, what would you use this for?
Well, I mean, I could see doing yoga.
It kind of has a Zen vibe, you know, with all this nature outside and the ceiling. So meditation room, maybe?
Yeah, let's just love it for what it is.
We're gonna love this for what it is. That's it.
All right, so let us head down to the lower level.
Lower level.
And once again, it does not disappoint in space, just like the rest of the home.
Another family room here.
With a gas-burning fireplace.
Yep. We've got, oh, Looks like this could be a movie room, maybe.
Oh, that would be fun.
And we have one bedroom here, closet,
Okay.
no bath. But there is a bath right here with a jacuzzi tub.
Nice. Since you did the legwork on that side,
Yep.
I will do the legwork on this side.
I will meet
Okay.
you back here.
All right, so I'm gonna start. So, John, we have what I would probably use as a den or an office. Another utility room with a washer dryer hookup. And, a full bath, nice. And another bedroom with a great view of the outside.
Well, belly up to the bar. You've done a good job today touring
You
this
know
house.
what? I could use a little refreshment after this tour.
What can I get you?
Well, how about a lemonade?
I know you're a hard drinker, a lemonade.
Hey, Tammy.
Hello, you're back.
I know, and I'm so glad you're sitting because we need to sit.
Thank
That
goodness.
is one big house.
Who got lost?
I think he tried to lose me in that house, but no luck. I'm still here.
So your favorite features?
My favorite was what we called the formal breakfast room.
I did.
You know,
The
so-
morning room, as
the
we call
morning,
it.
The
the
morning
morning room.
room,
See, we
see?
learned something.
Yes.
It was so pretty.
It's lovely.
A great space.
Open, and you can see all the trees, and it's just lovely.
The solarium, I think it was my favorite room.
That's your favorite too?
With the porch off the back, yeah.
That really is.
veranda.
I
Yes,
thought it was
John.
that porch and I was
I
gravely
Excuse
mistaken.
him.
I'm
Okay.
sorry, I
knew it
apologize.
was veranda.
So I want to give you some details.
Okay.
There's 7 bedrooms, 7 full baths and a half, 15,000 square feet. And the house was built in 2007.
Okay. I'm gonna go first.
Okay.
All right. Like I said, I'm just throwing a number out there, and I'm just gonna say 1.8 million.
Okay.
I'm gonna go lower, and
Okay.
I'm doing a bigger margin because I want to win.
Oh, you have strategy now.
I'm just throwing numbers out there, and you really have a strategy.
No,
Okay.
no, but I will go for 1.5 million.
This is amazing, okay? That is the price. Yeah.
No!
1.5 million. This is amazing.
Yeah, this house was so hard. Well, and I gotta say, all 3 homes you've shown us today really speak to what an incredible value Bowie is.
Absolutely.
It really, you can get a lot of home here and really beautiful neighborhoods. I'm a Bowie fan, what can I say?